So students, what is the next question? There are two questions we are going to do. सब लोग देखो यहाँ पे. Draw the decay curve showing number of unchanged nuclei per unit time. So students, what is according to decay law? You know what is decay law? Decay law states that amount of substance disintegrated per unit time is directly proportional to what? Amount of substance present at that time. Okay. And if I apply directly proportional, here what will come? Minus lambda n. Minus indicates what? As time increases, amount to be what? Decreases. Okay. So students, यहाँ पे हम लोग को वही दिखाना है. As time increases, initially what is the amount, students? N. Suppose initial amount is what? N. Present at that time. Okay. So suppose this is the amount. When that time, let me consider the time. Initial amount present at time t be what? N. बरोबर? After addition of time t plus dt, after addition of time t plus dt, what is the amount to be reduced? We observe that amount to be reduced is what? N minus dn. Let us consider n minus dn. The curve will be like this. Okay. And as time increases, this amount is what? Decreasing. And it continuously decreasing. So this is the curve, okay, of decay curve. This particular curve is called decay curve. Okay. It represents what? As time increases, amount is what? Decreasing. Okay. तो थोड़ा सा अगर परफेक्ट ड्रॉ करना है तुम लोग के लिए तो जस्ट लुक एट दिस पर्टिकुलर डायग्राम. आप थोड़ा सा इसे प्रॉपरली ड्रॉ करना. Okay. So you can see at this particular time what is the amount here? dn minus n dn. Okay. N minus dn. Okay. This is what called, this particular curve is called decay curve. Okay. This much only you have to draw. This is very simple curve. Then now what is the decay constant? Definition of decay constant. Already we understood what? Law of decay. From this particular expression, what is lambda? Lambda is called decay constant, that you know that. Lambda को हम लोग decay constant बोलते हैं. So what is lambda, students? Lambda को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? dn by dt, मतलब lambda अकेला करेंगे. dn by dt upon what? N. Upon what? N. तो तुम लोग बोले where is the minus sign? तो माइनस साइन को मैं बोल देता मॉड्यूलस में डाल देता हूँ. Okay, I will get here minus sign. For minus sign, if I put modulus में, तो what will be the answer? dn by dt upon n. Okay. Why we put modulus? Because I want only magnitude. मुझे सिर्फ magnitude से मतलब है. Minus तो हमें समझ में है. What is the meaning of minus? As time increases, amount to be decreases. वो समझ में है. But what is the definition में minus लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. Definition में हम लोग सिर्फ magnitude wise बोलेंगे. तो what is the formula? dn by dt upon n. तो देखो definition कैसे बनाता हूं मैं. The decay constant is defined as, okay, ratio of. Will you say this is ratio? This is ratio of. Okay. So what you observe here is a ratio of. What is the ratio of? The amount of substance disintegrated. तो dn by dt का मतलब क्या होता है? Amount of substance disintegrated per unit time. बरोबर ना? dn मतलब what? Amount of substance disintegrated per unit time. Okay. Per unit what, students? Time. Here I will write time. 2. What is N stands for? Amount of substance present at that instant. Amount of substance present at that instant. So again I am going to repeat. All of you concentrate. Decay constant is defined as the ratio of amount of substance disintegrated per unit time to the total number of amount of substance present at that instant. The amount of substance present at that instant. Okay, this is simple definition and the simple explanation about the decay curve. Hope so you understood this particular question. Say yes or no.